So the question is, find the area of sector of circle. So we have to find out this area, this one, which is in this arc. So what is given? We have angle, which is 65 degree, and we have radius, which is 17 centimeter. So we know the area of sector of circle formula is, okay, we can write pi r square into angle by 360 degree. Okay, so now we know the value of pi is 3.14. Radius is already given, which is 17, and if we find out the square, then it is 289. Okay, so now if we start the values here, start putting the values here, so it is 3.14 into 289, as the radius square is 289, and then this is 65 and 360 degree. Now let's solve this. So this is 3.14 into 289 into 65 and 360. So I'm using a calculator to do the calculation quickly. So if I calculate this in the calculator, it's coming as 163.84 cm square. Okay, so the area of the sector of circle is 163.84 centimeter square. If you like the video, kindly please subscribe and like. Thank you.